Welcome back to Living 757. Today we are going to explore art, inspiration, and creativity with purpose. But for that, I need my special guest. Let's welcome to the show Sue from S Hill Creation Studio. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm so excited because I always love the idea to break glass. I think it's very, I don't know, it's something inside. You can release the stress. But we're going to get there in a minute. Now, so tell me a little bit more about your business, S Hill Creations Studio. How long you been doing this?
I've been doing stained glass for a little over 17 years. I'm self-taught. You know, I had 3 boys and a husband, and I'm like, I need my thing. So I did a lot of research online. Painting and all that is a little dainty for me because I'm kind of a tomboy from the Ozarks, so breaking glass is more therapeutic for me than...
That's what I just said at the beginning.
Yeah.
I mean, it's helpful.
It is. After 25 years as a technical writer and proposal writer, as a government contractor for shipboard equipment and IT, it was my turn to have my thing. My kids are in their 30s and gone now, so that makes everything
fascinating.
easy.
Well, I know you're going to tell me really quick. You're going to walk me through first because you're going to teach me today how to do my own piece, my beautiful piece, right? So just walk me through because safety is very important.
It's super important. So we're going to start with safety glasses.
Okay, awesome. Got mine.
And safety gloves. These are level 5 chef's gloves, so you can
see that.
They're great for a mandolin in the kitchen at home because you don't have to use that ridiculous
They
little
are very good.
safety guard, and you can just do all your food
I
just
like
like that.
So I can keep them, right? They're mine already. So what we're gonna do first? Now, where do you get the glass? Like this is very beautiful colors.
It is. It's a lot of fun to find the glass. Everything. I'm eco-friendly. And everything I do is recovered from churches, historical sites, architectural buildings, different places like that. Sometimes it's people who are retired from glass. They give me a call. They know that I do good things with it and support the community, so they offer the glass to me. And in trade, I do things for them.
That
it's
is
all
amazing.
about balance in the world being in a good place.
Okay.
So we have a beautiful blue piece of glass. You can see all the pretty colors through it. We always start cutting from the flat side. When you do cut, grab your cutter.
Okay.
It's okay.
Oh, I like that blue too. So this is gonna be, how do you call it, this tool?
It's a glass cutter. We're gonna score it. So you're gonna hold it up straight like this. You're gonna put enough pressure down, starting from the edge of the glass, finishing on the edge, near the edge, right here.
Okay, right there.
There you go. And you're gonna hear a score go all the way down. It's a great sound, right?
Yeah.
So now you're gonna take the running pliers.
Okay, this one?
No, this one.
See, I'm
That's
doing
a different one for another project. I'll show you.
And I'm gonna just...
Right here, that's your line. You ready? Little squeeze. Doesn't take much.
Oh my God, that's so precise.
Super easy, super easy.
I was thinking like it's gonna splash or something.
Not at all, not at all. So it's gonna break into pieces like that. After the pieces are broke, we're gonna move this out of the way.
Okay.
Because this is the dangerous stuff.
The dangerous part.
After they're ground on an electric grinder or a hand grinder, these pieces are all safe to handle now. You can remove your gloves.
Okay. Time is running. 2 minutes. I know you also teach your students. Where do you teach them? Do you have a place that you teach people?
Yes, I teach at the Museum of Contemporary Art, the Norfolk Botanical Garden. I teach at Vintage Vibe in Chesapeake out on Centerville. I teach at all the museums in the area, the Art Center. I'm all the way up in Gloucester, everywhere.
I love that.
So the next step would be taking this copper foil on a piece of glass, and you'll actually just kind of put it in the center of the glass. Run it all the way around from start to finish. I'll let you finish this one.
That is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. So what do your students say when they're finished? Like, unbelievable when they started like us right now and they see their final project.
They're immediately taking pictures, sending it to family, saying, I made this, and they're so super excited about it.
Okay,
so
I got my little piece.
You're gonna pinch that, and then there's a little tool called a burnisher, which is the little plastic thing next to you.
Okay.
And we rub all the pieces down, just like leather.
Yes, to make it smooth.
Leather artists, make it smooth. Then a soldering iron and solder goes over the glass, and you end up with a beautiful piece.
Look at that beautiful piece right here.
It turns in the wind and spins around.
Well, so we just did this in just a question of 5 minutes or less. This is amazing. Now, where can people find you? How they can find more information about your business?
My Facebook page, S Hill Creation Studio. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me at a few art shows throughout the year, that kind of stuff.
So you go around and then also events here. Do you have anything coming up?
Yeah, I have Vintage Trixie coming up in August, Curiosity
love that.
Fair. I have a plant thing at the end of the year that I'm doing. I also joined the Chesapeake Bay Art Association and do their art shows.
Nice.
Kind of things.
Well, Sue, thank you so much for stopping
Oh,
today
sure.
and show me how to do this masterpiece. I'm going to finish it now.